Losing 5 kilograms to 11 pounds in just 7 days without hitting the gym or following a strict diet may seem challenging, but with the right lifestyle changes, it's possible. This method focuses on natural fat-burning techniques, detoxification, and boosting your metabolism. Let's get started. 1. Drink plenty of water. 2 to 3 liters a day. Water is essential for weight loss and overall health. It helps flush out toxins, supports digestion, and improves metabolism, making it easier for your body to burn fat efficiently. Dehydration can slow down your metabolism, leading to fatigue and unnecessary cravings. How to maximize the benefits of drinking water. Start your day with warm lemon water. Drinking warm lemon water on an empty stomach jumpstarts your metabolism. Lemon contains vitamin C, which supports digestion and fat burning. It also helps alkalize your body and improve skin health. Drink green tea or detox water throughout the day. Green tea contains catechins, natural antioxidants that boost fat burning. Detox water infused with cucumber, lemon, and mint aids digestion and helps reduce bloating. Herbal teas, like ginger or cinnamon tea, can also improve digestion and control appetite. Avoid sugary drinks, sodas, and alcohol. Sodas and energy drinks are loaded with sugar and empty calories, leading to weight gain. Alcohol slows down metabolism and can cause bloating and dehydration. Instead, opt for coconut water or unsweetened herbal teas for hydration and essential electrolytes. Drink water before meals. Drinking a glass of water 20 to 30 minutes before meals can help control appetite and prevent overeating. Often, our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Use a water drinking reminder. If you forget to drink water, use an app or set alarms as reminders throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle to keep track of your intake. 2. Walk 10,000 steps daily. Walking is one of the simplest and most effective ways to burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and support weight loss. Since this plan does not require a gym, walking will be your best tool to stay active and shed excess weight. Why walking works for weight loss. Walking increases calorie burn without stressing the joints. It helps improve blood circulation and prevents bloating. A 30 to 60 minute brisk walk can burn 250 to 400 calories, depending on your weight and speed. Walking reduces stress and improves sleep, which are both important for weight loss. Ways to reach 10,000 steps daily. Walk briskly for 30 to 60 minutes every day. A steady pace of 5 to 6 kilometers per hour, 3 to 4 miles per hour can help burn calories efficiently. If possible, walk in a park or nature trail for fresh air and mental relaxation. Listen to motivational podcasts or music to make your walk enjoyable. Use stairs instead of the elevator. Climbing stairs burns more calories, and regular walking and strengthens your legs. Make a habit of taking the stairs whenever possible. Whether at home, work, or shopping malls, stay active with household chores. Cleaning, cooking, gardening, and running errands all contribute to your daily step count. Activities like mopping, sweeping, or even washing dishes can help keep you moving. Take short walk breaks during the day. If you have a desk job or spend a lot of time sitting, stand up and walk around every hour for a few minutes. Walk while talking on the phone or take a short walk after meals to aid digestion. Track your steps with a smartwatch or app. Use a fitness tracker, pedometer, or smartphone app to monitor your daily steps. Seeing your progress can keep you motivated to stay active. Make walking fun and social. Walk with friends, family, or a pet to make it enjoyable. Join a walking challenge or set a daily goal to stay accountable. By following these simple habits, you can burn more calories effortlessly and make walking a natural part of your lifestyle. 3. Eat smart. Without dieting. Losing weight doesn't mean you have to starve yourself or follow a strict, restrictive diet. Instead, focus on clean eating and making healthier food choices. For 7 days, eliminate unhealthy foods and nourish your body with nutrient-dense meals that keep you full and energized while promoting fat loss. What to eat more of. To lose weight effectively, your meals should be rich and whole, unprocessed foods that support metabolism and digestion. Vegetables, high in fiber and low in calories. Vegetables keep you full and aid digestion. Eat leafy green spinach, kale, cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cauliflower, and hydrating vegetables, cucumber, zucchini. Fruits, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sweetness to curb sugar cravings. Opt for low-sugar fruits like berries, apples, oranges, and watermelon. Avoid excess bananas, grapes, and mangoes if you're cutting sugar. Protein: eggs, fish, chicken, lentils, nuts. Protein keeps you full longer, prevents muscle loss, and boosts metabolism. Include lean proteins like chicken breast, fish, turkey, and eggs. Plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa are great for vegetarians. Healthy fats: avocados, nuts, olive oil. Healthy fats keep you satisfied and support hormone balance. Eat almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds in moderation. Cook with olive oil or coconut oil instead of processed vegetable oils. What to reduce? Some foods don't need to be eliminated completely, but should be limited for better weight loss results. Refined carbohydrates: white bread, pasta, rice. These are quickly digested and can spike blood sugar levels, leading to weight gain. Swap white rice for brown rice or quinoa, and white bread for whole grain or multigrain bread. Sugar and sugary drinks. Sugar triggers cravings, adds empty calories, and slows weight loss. Avoid cakes, cookies, ice cream, and packaged fruit juices. Instead, use natural sweeteners like honey or stevia in moderation. Fried and oily foods: deep-fried foods are high in unhealthy fats and calories. Opt for grilled, baked, or air-fried versions of your favorite foods. What to avoid completely? For 7 days, cut out the following foods to boost fat loss and reduce bloating: junk food and processed snacks, burgers, chips, fast food, and instant noodles slow down weight loss. Replace with homemade alternatives like oven-baked sweet potato fries or homemade granola bars. Sodas and carbonated drinks: these are packed with hidden sugars and empty calories. Instead, drink water, coconut water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Late night eating. Eating heavy meals before bed can slow digestion and lead to fat storage. Stick to light dinners and avoid eating at least 3 hours before sleep. By following these simple yet effective eating habits, you can lose weight without dieting while still enjoying delicious meals. 4. Try intermittent fasting. Optional: intermittent fasting is an effective and natural way to lose weight, boost metabolism, and improve overall health. It works by cycling between eating and fasting periods, allowing your body to burn stored fat instead of relying on constant food intake for energy. How the 16-8 intermittent fasting method works: fast for 16 hours. No food, only water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Eat within an 8-hour window. Consume healthy, balanced meals during this period. Example fasting schedule: 12 p.m. 8 p.m. eating window. Have to 2-3 nutrient-rich meals and snacks. 8 p.m. 12 p.m. fasting window. Drink water, green tea, or black coffee, but avoid calories. Benefits of intermittent fasting: boosts fat burning by enhancing metabolism, helps control cravings and prevents binge eating, supports better digestion and reduces bloating, improves insulin sensitivity, reducing fat storage. Tips for success: ease into it by starting with a 12-hour fast and increasing gradually. Eat nutritious meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats during your eating window. Stay hydrated with plenty of water and herbal teas. Avoid overeating once your fasting period ends. Choose wholesome, unprocessed foods. 5. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Getting quality sleep is just as important as diet and exercise when it comes to losing weight. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones ghrelin and leptin, leading to increased cravings and weight gain. How sleep affects weight loss. Lack of sleep increases appetite, making you crave high-calorie foods. Poor sleep slows metabolism, making it harder to burn calories. Good sleep supports muscle recovery and prevents fat accumulation. Tips for better sleep: sleep early and wake up fresh. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Avoid screens before bed. The blue light from phones, laptops reduces melatonin, the sleep hormone. Use blue light filters or read a book instead. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Try deep breathing, meditation, or herbal tea to unwind. Keep your room cool and dark. A cool, dark environment promotes deep sleep and better recovery. 6. Cut down on salt and bloating foods. Excess salt and processed foods cause water retention, leading to bloating and a heavier appearance. Reducing sodium intake helps flush out excess water and promotes a leaner look. Foods that cause bloating and should be reduced. Processed foods, chips, canned foods, frozen meals, fast food and takeout, burgers, fries, pizza. Carbonated drinks, soda, sparkling water, beer, best foods to reduce bloating. Pink Himalayan salt, a healthier alternative to table salt, rich in minerals. Potassium-rich foods, bananas, avocados, and spinach help balance sodium levels. Pro tip: drink warm water with lemon and ginger first thing in the morning to kickstart digestion and reduce bloating. 7. Do home workouts. On a 15-minute day, you don't need a gym to burn fat. Just 10 to 15 minutes of bodyweight exercises can be enough to increase calorie burn and improve muscle tone. Quick full-body home workout routine. Jumping jacks, 2 minutes boosts heart rate and burns calories. Squats 15 reps tones legs and burns fat. Push-ups, 10 reps strengthens arms and core. Plank to 30 seconds engages core and improves posture. Skipping rope -5 minutes cardio workout that burns belly fat. Repeat the circuit twice for best results. Additional home workout tips. Do bodyweight exercises like lunges, burpees, and mountain climbers. Increase intensity over time. Start slow and add more reps gradually. Use household items, water bottles for weights, a chair for tricep dips. Stay consistent. Just 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Final thoughts. Will this work? Absolutely. If you commit to these simple yet effective lifestyle changes for 7 days, you can lose up to 5 kilograms by shedding excess water weight, burning fat, and improving digestion. The key is consistency. Your body will start responding within days, and you'll feel lighter, more energetic, and healthier. However, remember that sustainable weight loss isn't just about a quick 7-day fix. It's about making long-term lifestyle improvements. If you want to maintain your results, continue to stay hydrated. Keep drinking 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Stay active, walk daily, move more, and include workouts. Eat clean. Focus on whole, nutritious foods and avoid junk. Get enough sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality rest. Manage stress. Practice mindfulness, deep breathing, or yoga. If you're looking for permanent fat loss, follow these habits beyond 7 days. Small changes add up to big results over time. Ready to start? Join the challenge. If you're excited to try this 7-day transformation, comment below my name. And let's do this together. Have questions? Need motivation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to help and hear about your progress. Let's smash those goals.